Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close a Gmail account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and instead of any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first access your Gmail account, right? So there are two ways. I'll show you both of them. First, access Gmail account. Simply tap on three horizontal line on top left corner and tap on the settings icon, and then you will find your account, right? Simply gonna go ahead, tap on it, and this kind of interface gonna pop up, which includes a manage your Google account as well, which you don't need. Go back, tap on this three dot icon on top, tap on manage account. First thing, you can actually simply remove your account by tapping on it, right, and add a new one. Other would be simply going to your manage your Google account, and simply if you delete your Google account itself as well, then your Gmail account will be also closed. And the other thing that you can do, you can scroll down to this option called delete a Google service, and now go ahead, go to this Gmail and tap on this delete icon given beside it, and then you will be able to remove that service for you, which also includes closing your account. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.